Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to draw a 8.5 head fashion croquis. So let's get started. Just grab your ruler and a pencil. So draw a straight line in the middle. The size of the head I am going to draw is going to be 3 centimeter. So let's just mark it first. We need 8.5 of 3 centimeter. Now I am going to draw a head on the side. Then you can see how big is that gonna be, and I'll write down the width and the length of it, or the height of it. So it's 2 centimeter wide and it's 3 centimeter long. So all of the croquis that I am going to draw today, it just depends on the size of that head, which I have chosen already. So if you are going to draw on A3 paper, you can even make it 4 centimeter long or even longer, and it does change the size of everything when you are drawing. So now I am going to draw 8.5 head, and I think that helps a better understanding while I am explaining. And I also draw a few lines, then later it is useful, and we also know where exactly we need to start the next one. Well, this is my second head. Okay, the 8th one, and the last one is gonna be a half. Now it is time to draw the exact shape, and I am going to use my ruler. So this second head needs to be divided into 3 sections, and the first one is where the shoulder will start. Yeah, so that is so from the top, 1 2 3. The third one is chest line, the fourth line is waist, fifth line is hip line, and next one is thigh, and then knees, and then legs and ankle, and the last one at the bottom is toes or feet. So, and then I'm going to use a different color to join everything together and just make it more visible for you. So the width of the neck is 3/5 of the head size. So if the head is 2 centimeter wide, you need to divide it into 5, and then just I think it's gonna be about 0.4, and then the width of the neck, you can find it from there. So shoulder is twice the head size. Remember, the one I am explaining now is all about the width, because we already know the length of everything and we know where exactly everything finish and start. So shoulder is twice the head, and each arm is 1/4 of the head. Now I am going to draw the waistline. Waist can be 1.5 of the head size, or 1.1 and a quarter if you want to make it very tiny. A hip can be twice the head or 2.5. It is still, again, your choice. If you want to exaggerate it, you can make it 2.5 size. I am writing down this size so you guys can remember it better. So now I am going to do the ankle. Ankle is 1/4 of the head size again. And now I am joining the hip line to the ankle, and legs, not legs, feet are like together is one head together. Each side is half of the head size. Now I am going to draw the center line and the arm. So you see that the third line is on the arm line, and we need to start the underarm from there. And now we don't know the wrist size, which is 1/4 of the head again, and we join everything together. So now I am dividing the fifth head into 3 again, and from top, the second point that I made, I draw a line, and that is where you need to finish the fingers. Guys, this is the end of today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and if you have any suggestion for my future's video, please let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and bye.